got the weapons, we have what we need. Our power's unpredictable, we fight like a machine. This is not a dream, you are not prepared. This is Call of Duty, it's advanced warfare. We got the weapons, we have what we need. Our power's unpredictable, we fight like a machine. This is not a dream, and you are not prepared. This is Call of Duty, it's advanced warfare. Headed into battle, I can see you scared. Grab your gun and run, dodging bullets in the air. We have the control, and you are not prepared. Tell me, can you handle this advanced warfare? You got blood all on your hands, there's bodies everywhere. War is never easy, but we fight because we care. We have the control, and we don't want to share. Hope that you can handle the advanced warfare. This is a CMD, like one that you have never seen. Futuristic firepower and technology. We're strapping on our suits, all of our abilities. Increase even to the point where we can't be seen. Dashing past so fast, you have the agility. Staring down the sights, pull the trigger, rest in peace. Coming up behind us with a knife and trying to sneak. We'll boost up in the air, still to kill like we're a thief. We got the weapons, we have what we need. Our power's unpredictable, we fight like a machine. This is not a dream, you are not prepared. This is Call of Duty, it's advanced warfare. We got the weapons, we have what we need. Our power's unpredictable, we fight like a machine. This is not a dream, and you are not prepared. This is Call of Duty, it's advanced warfare. The world needs a savior, we have what it takes. Explosions rock the city and the buildings sway and shake. We're scaling over walls with our superhuman strength. Our enemies are many, but they can't avoid their fate. We started from the bottom, now we're at the top. Train drones surround their homes, we will always find a way to silence opposition, put our power on display. Put their bodies in a crate as we toss out some grenades. Trade our bullets in for race, faces burning they erase. Adding up to UAVs, paladins and random faces that are burners that I break. Nah, it's probably a missile. You know it's much too late when you hear the missile whistle. Xbox, record that. I got another triple. They do not stand a chance. Yeah, the future's looking dismal. Scoping in a box, sniper rifle gonna get you. Call of Duty's back, news are gonna need attention. We have the weapons, we have what we need. Our power's unpredictable, we fight like a machine. This is not a dream, you are not prepared. This is Call of Duty, it's advanced warfare. We got the weapons, we have what we need. Our power's unpredictable, we fight like a machine. This is not a dream, and you are not prepared. This is Call of Duty, it's advanced warfare. Here comes Goliath, people dying, shooting at me with their slingshots. This is not the Bible story, you are gonna get dropped. Minigun is firing, fear the barrel, yeah, it's red hot. Chicken in the boots, what's a truce? I will not stop. I'm going crazy, knocking down your doors, smashing through the roof, put your bodies on the floor. A low profile, while I'm racking up the score. Burying your body underneath the sandy shore. This is warfare, and this is serious.